So could you please explain, like, tell me about yourself, your existing experience and your academic, something like that?
Yeah, sure. So actually, I do have more than 15 years experience in IT.
Very good.
So yeah, so and my I'm already like I'm as of now I'm playing a technical program manager role in
Okay.
my current organization. Yeah,
Good.
I do have a couple of teams which are working in AWS, Azure platforms. They are supporting.
Good.
Some are like that infrastructure automation. Yeah, with the help of Python, Tableau, all this. So
Very good.
that way I become interested.
Yeah. So I think you are working with Azure. I think you are familiar with the SQL, how we can,
Correct. Databricks, yeah,
yeah.
SQL, yeah.
So in your existing company using the SQL Server or a MySQL or Oracle?
SQL Server.
SQL Server. So I
Yeah,
think the your existing company like using the Microsoft products, the
correct.
SQL
Yeah,
Server and the Azure.
yeah,
So one
yeah.
actually only the one question I want to ask you and for my
Mhm,
candidates who are connected to this one. So like whenever
mhm,
the data is failure in SQL Server,
mhm.
so what is the strategy the particular company follow to recover the data? So that is
Data is failure in the sense like, is it that data is not getting loaded or somehow it's not being inserted into the table? Do you mean like this?
yeah, actually like whenever we take the data, the complete data or the inferential backup,
Mm-hmm.
or so we have some MDF and the LDF file. So there is any way to recover the data like the high availability group, something like that.
Yeah. So what happened? Like, yeah. So actually, in our thesis, we are using HA.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah. And second thing is that yeah. So in my instances, like for my production and QA instances, we are using the clusterization so
Okay.
that like multiple devices would be multiple things like backup would be always be available. Mhm. So that is the only part I remembered what I did. Yeah.
Yeah, good, very good. But actually, when we have the data is very large,
Yeah. Yeah.
so suddenly the node will be crash.
Correct.
So like we have a 1,000 TB data, for example, and
Mhm.
we want to restore them. It will take lots of the time. So
Yeah.
the company don't want to waste the time. So how we
Mhm.
can quickly to ready all the data set to provide the services for the backend process.
Oh, I think I could learn this
Okay,
part from
good.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So actually, I'm talking about like what is the thing. I think you are familiar. One more things.